Guys, it's Jen from Rustic Rehabs. Today we're in Menomonee Falls. It's a gloomy day, but it's actually pretty decent for December in Wisconsin. I'll show you the water tower so you can see what it's like. We are looking for spring and everyday home decor that we can flip and use to stage in our shop. This tree for 10 bucks I think is a great deal with this pot, and I will put it away for next Christmas. It takes up a lot of my cart, so the carts are going to be full today. I have sold this picture before. I love it, and bike season is coming up in spring, so that's what I'm looking for. This clock is really pretty cool, but I think it was bent and we're going to pass. I did snag this big daisy picture for 10 bucks, and I didn't like how they wrote on the frame with the grease marker, but I was able to get it off. These would look really cute with my little boy dresser in the back that has construction vehicles on it, but I already have a few, so I'm going to leave them. The Killian Collection is the name of this sweet dresser and nightstand. It's 250 bucks for the dresser with all the construction fire trucks on it, and the nightstand to match is only 50 bucks, you guys. 300 bucks for a new room for your kid. This looks like my dog. It's pretty cute, but we left it. This I will put in something for spring. My Goodwill has a really small linen section. I don't know if they just don't get a lot of this or they move it out to somewhere else. I do think that they ship some of their stuff to other Goodwills from what I've heard. And if you watch me for a while, you know that I love a good lamp. I really thought hard about that yellow one, but I decided that I need to get the lamps that I have already in the shop organized before I add any more to my stash. This little reindeer needed his antlers glued on better, and then he sold yesterday. I have a nutcracker that the hair is hideous, and I think it's kind of collectible, so I may try to fix the hair with this doll hair. Who knows? That's what I try to do, though. Which reminds me, if you're new here, I'm Jen. I have a store in Menomonee Falls, Wisconsin, where I paint furniture and teach people how to paint furniture. We sell artisan paint and craft products and show you how to use them. This is super cute for lots of us pet lovers. It said we're not perfect, but our dog loves us. Isn't that the truth? This would be really fun for a kiddo to make letters and put them in the mailbox. This marionette might look creepy to some people, but I figure kids are going to love it. And yesterday we had a couple of kids come and do a make and take, and they could not get enough of it. So this is 20 bucks. It's on my website and in my shop. I think this is handmade. Somebody put a lot of work into it. This jewelry box didn't have a price, and then I found a couple more that did, so I put that one back. But jewelry boxes would make a great gift for the holidays or birthdays. This little guy got a makeover from me. His hat was chipped on the paint, and so I gave it a paint job, and that's going to be in a reel that I'm going to finish maybe today or tomorrow. A fisherman looking Santa. I think for 5 bucks we got to take him home. I'm certain he would retail for a lot more, and so in my shop we will clean him up and give him a used price that is still really good for gift giving. This I looked at, but I couldn't see the baby Jesus, and I almost bought it, but I have done that before, and then I end up with something I can't use. So I definitely have to tell myself to slow down often. Little bunnies for 99 cents. I put them back. One said $1.99, but they price matched it up at the front. I need to have all the bunnies that are a good deal for spring. I mean, look at this sweet one. We sell a lot of piggy banks. We clean them up, we put new stoppers in and find them new homes. This little guy sold yesterday after I fixed him. I took off the rest of the bow and painted it, and you can't even tell it was missing. These Kohl's candlesticks got a paint job and they are boho-licious. This Santa needs some love. His mustache fell off and I actually can't even find it back in the shop now that I got him home. So I got to figure out what to do to fix him up. This I think will look really sweet for after Christmas, because we all need to decorate after Christmas too. When we take the stuff down, things look so sad. This definitely was somebody who put some vintage stuff together. I added a few more trees to even it out, and it is so cute now. I called this guy the trekking Santa, and he went home with a new family yesterday at the shop. So cute. This hat, I got to replace a hat on one of my Christmas trees, and I gave it a makeover, and that will be in a reel too, but here's how it looks now. This little snowman is originally from Lang, and he is super cute. I've had these before. This guy I would have taken home, but he was 13 bucks, so we left him for someone else to enjoy. Holy cow, look at my cart. And yes, I did get that primitive looking bunny. She'll be put away till spring, which isn't far away actually. Who's excited like me about the winter solstice? So we start getting more light every day. Oh, I'm so excited for more light. We will put this little birdie back for spring, and I'll probably add some floral or succulents to him. They had a lot of floral today at the Goodwill, but there was nothing that tripped my trigger. I did look at these nativities, but this one was broken pretty bad, so we left it. I spent $110 after my rewards from Goodwill, and we wish you the merriest of Christmases. Buddy. Here is pictures of me and my daughter Maddie at the shop, and then her friend Cade goofing around with the iPad. I wish you so much happiness and health in the next year. Thank you so much for supporting my page. Take good care.